So you just requested a demo from Sales Ape AI by submitting your email. Now what happens next? Let me show you the whole process from start to finish. Welcome back to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're walking through Sales Ape AI's demo experience, how their AI sales rep reaches out to you, starts a chat, and guides you through what it can do for your business. First, you enter your email on their website to request a demo. Seconds later, you get an email from the AI sales rep saying, "Hi there, I'm the demo you requested. Just reply to chat with me, ask me anything you like." The AI introduces itself as your personal sales assistant, trained to help you understand how Sales Ape AI can boost your sales. It even says it can help you train your own AI rep for your business. You reply back and the AI asks, "What type of business do you work in?" From there, it tailors the conversation to your industry and sales needs. The AI walks you through features like automated outreach, lead generation, personalized messaging, and even booking demo calls with the Sales Ape AI team. So that's how Sales Ape AI's demo gets started. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.